A brilliant exercise for core stability is the half kneeling kettlebell halo. So as always in our half kneeling position, we want knee and hip in a straight line, knee and hip in a straight line, and hips nicely stacked on top of each other. Look tight at the back. We're going to grab our kettlebell by the horns, and we're going to make a nice circle around the body, making sure we keep the rib cage down and the hips nice and square and level. That front foot, big toe is pressed firmly into the ground, and I'm making sure the kettlebell doesn't actually touch my body at all as we go around the corner. Try sets of 10 and then switch legs. Absolute burner for the shoulders.